So hey everyone, welcome back to the quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can finish your sentences, your incomplete sentences using online AI tool. You need to access it. All you need to do is just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for sudo write.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond here, or you need to click on this option which says try sudo write for free, and it will open a new page for you, and it may ask you to sign in, that you can sign in with your Google or your email. Once you are done, you can use this tool to summarize or to start or to complete your sentences, your incomplete sentences with zero grammatical errors, and it's a total AI based. So it always create and generates different new prompts. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.